welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maya. I do DIYs, design, and lifestyle videos, and today we're doing an unboxing for Nerdy Book Box. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos so that you don't miss any future updates. And without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the July box for Nerdy Book Box, and it is themed after Summer Carnival. There you go. And the book for this month is The Chaos Circus by Dugan. Or Dungan. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, as usual. And I'm very excited about this. I actually thought I wasn't getting another one because I've canceled all my subscriptions for saving some money because I just spend too much money, as I mention almost every video. So I was excited to see this. This is apparently my last one of these for a little bit, and then I'll probably get some more because I just love getting them. But let's see what we have. Okay, so first things first, we have the Dugan Gourmet Popcorn, which is dark chocolate corn. I'm definitely going to be snacking on these after the video. So excited about this. Tasty, tasty treat. I am very excited to try that. This is well wrapped, and this is probably why it was marked fragile. Looks like a mug. And by the looks of it, something a little deeper than the normal mugs we get. And you guys know how I prefer to have a nice deep mug. So hopefully this will be suiting my fancy. All right, lots of bubble wrap. I appreciate that. They've done a great job packaging this. Oh, that's so cute. So it says, if all life's an ocean, then his touch is a harbor. And it's a very big speckled mug. Really beautiful. This is definitely something I will use. It's a great hot chocolate mug. Really nice weight. Definitely appreciate this. Next, we have a sticker. So it says, I am the fire. The little circus tent. Very cute. And apologies about my camera. Fun story. So I actually was filming a DIY video yesterday, and my camera was on this tiny little tripod, and it totally barreled off the counter because it was top heavy. Stupid little tripod. I don't like it at all. But anyways, so long story short, the lens is now busted on the camera. So this is the device we shall be using for a while. So apologies about the quality if it's a little lower. I will be getting a new lens, but as I said, I'm a little tight on cash, so it might be a little while. So it'll be what it is, but I think this camera does a pretty good job too. It's just my phone, but it's, you know, it suffice. Okay, so the next little item is a keychain. Now, it's cute. I don't know if I'll keep it though, just because I'm not huge on keychains. I don't have much room for them in my personal life. So I would probably end up giving this away, but it says it's all right to be someone other than ordinary. Something other than ordinary. It is very cute though, and actually I do like that statement, so maybe I will keep it. We'll see. But nice little keychain. Well, big keychain. Maybe I'll just even keep it on the bookcase. I have another one with a little shoe, a Cinderella shoe, so maybe I collect keychains now. I'm also liking all the purple theming in this. I think that's really pretty. Okay, 2 more items. So we have our gold, I would say this is foiled art print. This is very pretty. And I'm definitely excited about this book. This sounds really good. And then the book. Let me just take it out of the plastic for us, and then we shall take a look at it. Oh, and this looks like a quick read too, which will be really nice for me because I need something just fast. Fast and fun. Love the cover. Ooh, this one has sprayed edges. Oh, I did know about this one because I remember saying I don't think I'm getting any more books, and I was all sad that I was going to miss the sprayed edges. And then I got the notification saying I had one more. So here's the book. It's R. Dugan, and the book is The Chaos Circus. 5 trials, 1 prize, 1 mad adventure. Love that cover. Very fun. And we have the usual, we have an author card and our author book plate. So we'll put that inside the book. And I will read this one. It's nice and short. Dearest reader, what an honor it is to be featured in Nerdy Book Box. When I decided to take the route of indie publishing, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I didn't think opportunities like this would be available to me anymore. I just stepped out in faith, publishing The Chaos Circus and trusting the journey. And now, here you are, holding my book in your hands. A dream come true, a wish granted indeed. I hope Tessa's story brings you joy. I hope the circus sweeps you away, and mostly I pray it gives you all hope. Tessa's adventure and mine. The proof that you can do the impossible, and a reminder that you are fire and you cannot be tamed. Burn bright. And then it has her signature. That's great. I love these notes. They're so fun. Okay. Now, We are going to read the description. As usual, this will be posted in the timeline, so feel free to skip ahead if you don't want to listen to me awkwardly read. Sounds like a really good book. Also, I didn't show you this. It does have sprayed edges. Gorgeous purple sprayed edges. Very gorgeous. Okay, the Chaos Circus welcomes you. Do enjoy your time indulging in the pleasures of this land. All Tessa LaRoche wants is to become the most ordinary person in Barrow Island. After a stint in a mental asylum, she's had quite enough of being anything else, thank you very much. But when a commission at her new reporting job forces her into the path of a not-quite-human murder suspect, Tessa finds that the unordinary is not through with her just yet. Spirited away by the devilishly charming Nikolai to the Mere Lands, a parallel reality manipulated by the immortal Deathless, Tessa loses one of her most precious tethers to her sanity. In order to reclaim it, she must risk entering the Chaos Circus, a city-wide fair where mortals trade years for prizes and vicious attractions from which the Deathless draw their power. But there's a catch. If Tessa can't defeat the Deathless at their own freakish carnival games, she will lose her mind, and Nikolai will lose his life. Forced to rely on another despite the secrets that have come between them, Tessa and Nikolai embark on a dangerous adventure through the deceptively beautiful life of the circus, where little is as it seems, even the games, their past, and the strange whirlwind of memories that Tessa can no longer recall. This sounds fantastic, and I honestly think I'm probably going to make some hot chocolate and take out my popcorn and read this as soon as we're done, because let's see how many pages it is. It can't be that long. Oh, do you hear that? That is the sound of fresh sprayed edges. This book looks pretty short, so it should be a fun, easy read. It is 198 pages, so I could probably do this in a day, which is super exciting. And they do mention some other books by her at the end here, so she has other books as well, which is awesome. The Star Chaser Saga. So I'll have to check those out if I enjoy this one. Now, let's take a look through here. Favorite items, definitely the mug. The mug is hands down my favorite item in this box, which is exciting because the last mug I got in a box I was not as excited about. Not because it was a bad mug, but just, you know, I like the weight of this, and this is a deep mug, so exciting. And I really like the color. Honestly, I don't have a lot of things in this sort of like plummy purple, and it's just so pretty. So I also really love the popcorn. Super excited to eat this. I'm definitely having that with my drink afterwards. And honestly, I really like the stickers. Like, I won't probably keep the sticker, or at least I won't be using it. I don't know. I might stick it in my sticker collection. Stick it in my sticker collection. Look at me. Shameless. And then, yeah, the art print is really beautiful. I'm probably going to put that on the bookcase with my art print collection because I have so many. They're so pretty. Actually, you know what? It goes nicely with this. All the gold. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So let's quickly go over what everything was. Let me just find the spoiler card. What did I do with it? There it is. Okay. So, okay, so this cover is extremely exclusive. Look at the old cover. I'm going to say it now. This cover is way nicer. No offense to the original artist. But this cover is fantastic. They really stepped up their game with this one. It's not only a new cover, but it's also sprayed. So this is spectacular. Honestly, extremely impressed with the book. So featured from the shop, we have the Chaos Circus exclusive design with the metallic purple sprayed edges. Oh, it is metallic. And that is by the Unexpected Apothecary, who we know and love. We also have the Dugan Gourmet Popcorn, and you can find them at Dugan Pop. We have Nerdy Book Mama, who's provided her design skills for a couple goodies. They made the, let's see here, the campfire mug, so our beautiful mug, which I put on the floor. Beautiful mug, and the keychain, which is gorgeous. Where did I put it now? Found the other keychain, though. What did I do with it? Oh, it's over here. The keychain, which is really pretty. So, great job. Those are gorgeous. Love them. And then we also have the gold foil artwork of Tessa and Nikolai, which we love. And the tent sticker, which is done by Miranda Kate. And that's Miranda-Kate or Cat writes. Miranda Cat. And sorry, the sticker or sorry, the artwork, sorry, I'm getting distracted. So the sticker is Miranda Cat, and that's Miranda-Cat Writes. And then the art print, that one is by Amelia, and that's Sakura Artist on Instagram. All right, with that, I'm off to read my new book and drink something out of my new mug and enjoy my popcorn. Yum, yum, yum. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did so you don't miss future uploads. And if you did enjoy it, please check out some of my other videos that are listed along the bottom. Take care and have a great day. Bye.